So I have I bought, a side of salmon, cut up fillets, and you have the very thin piece on the belly there left over. You can't cook that with the thicker piece, it's cooked too much. So what I did was, we'll have some scrambled eggs with some fresh salmon. And you can pre-cook the salmon. I use sweet butter this time. You can pre-cook the salmon. I don't mean pre-cook. You could saute the salmon for a second and then throw the eggs in, but I'm not going to do that. I'm putting everything in there together, very high flame. Salt and pepper's in there already. Some fresh chives. And we scramble away. No reason to cook that salmon. If you like sushi, then you'll have it like this. If you don't like sushi, then you throw the salmon in there for a second. And that's it. I like soft scrambled eggs. A lot of people don't. And how quick is that? Well, that was 3 small eggs. You can have 2 large eggs. You can have egg whites. And that's what my breakfast is looking like. Hope you enjoy it. I will right now.